Hello, David, Rush Truck Center, Oklahoma City. Maintenance in a minute. Today's topic, reducing your idle time. You're gonna say, why do I wanna reduce my idle time? I want my truck hot in the winter, or I want it cold in the summer. The longer your truck sits at idle with today's emissions is gonna take a chance of it not performing up to heat temperatures like the truck should. You're gonna take a chance plugging up your system from the soot and everything else. So you've got cost associated to your truck sitting there idling. It's burning fuel. It's got more wear on the motor. It's got more wear on the oil. You're gonna break the oil down. Your truck's gonna overheat. Any of those things could happen. Want to make sure you're there with it. So if you cut down that idle time, you'll cut down those chances. David, Rush Truck Center, maintenance in a minute.